Hey, it's Mr. Clark. I'm back again. Solving and writing subtraction equations is our topic today. Alright, let's get started. Before we solve them, let's start off by talking about what equations are. Equations are any expression with a variable, but not just a variable, they also have an equal sign. So you have two sides to the equal sign, or you have two expressions that are equal to each other. Alright, let's look at how to solve x minus 5 equals 12. We already know from our previous lessons that we do the inverse or the opposite operation. So the opposite of subtraction is adding. So we add 5 to both sides of our equation, and then we can simplify to find our answer. Alright, so minus 5 and plus 5 will cancel each other out. So we're done with that on that side. So that leaves us with x equals, well, 12 plus 5 will give us our answer, so x equals 17. And that is the answer to this equation. Alright, let's look at another subtraction equation. D minus 23 equals 198. So I'm going to add 23 to both sides of my equation. And we'll simplify to find our answer. So our 23's cancel out and we're left with D equals 221. Alright, let's talk about word problems. How do we know when we need to write an addition or a subtraction equation? Well, it depends on if you need to find the total. If you do need to find the total, then you will write in a subtraction equation. If you don't need to find the total, but you're asked to find the part, you write an addition equation. So again, when you're reading a word problem, you always want to ask yourself, do I need to find the total? If the answer is yes, you know you're going to have to write a subtraction equation. If the answer is no, you know the total, then you're going to write an addition equation. So let's look at this example. MJ scored 38 points in the game while the rest of the team scored 65. How much did the team score in all? In all is asking me to find the total, so I don't know my total. So we're going to write a subtraction equation. T minus 38 equals 65. Here's why that makes sense as a subtraction equation. So the total amount minus the 38 that MJ scored will give me the rest of the team, which has 65. So T minus 38 equals 65. Now you could have also wrote T minus 65 equals 38. Both will give you the same answer. So again, my clue here was I was asked to find the total. And when I'm asked to find the total, I know I'm going to write a subtraction equation. Let's look at another example. Bulls won their game 105-98. MJ scored 28 points. How much did the rest of the team score? Well, I'm asked for the rest of the team, which is a part. And I know my total is 105, so I know I'm going to write an addition equation now. So 28 plus R equals 105. Again, to sum it up, solving equations, always do the inverse operation to both sides, the equal sign. And when solving word problems, the clue is to ask yourself, do you know the total or not? And that's how you know if you're going to write an addition or subtraction equation. See you next time. Peace out.
Created using Powtoon.